What's happening, guys? Thank you so much for joining me in this video. In this video I'll be going over and doing a very simple mod on my F36, which is installing this welcome light or door light or whatever you like to call it. It is a very easy process. You can pick this kit up on eBay. Just type in BMW door lights and your BMW model. So example F36 door lights or E92 or whatever your model is, and you can pick this up fairly cheap. This one I think costed me around £14 or £15. But once you get it inside the box, you will have two projectors. In my case I had four because my car is a four-door car. In your case you can have four to how much you want. So what you're gonna get is in the packet, it's gonna come up in a packet like this, and when you open the packet up you'll get a mini projector that looks like this, and then a wire. So what you'll have to do is pick one of the projector and one of the wire, and then if you look closely to the wire you will see there's two holes in there. If you focuses, there's two holes in there, and in the projector at the one of the end point you will see there's two pins which is there. So what you'll have to do is try to line up those two holes into the pin that is at the back of the side of the projector. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly install that, and I'll get back to you simply because it's hard to put that in and record at the same time. But initially what you'll have to do is take the wire and then line up the hole with the pin and then push the wire in. So I'll do that and come back to you. So I went ahead and lined that up. Now I just have to do is simply push this wire in. You'll hear a click like that. So as you can see that the wire is inside the white little thing here, and then this projector is. Now before you get started, make sure you have like a pry tool like this, simply so you can just pry the old light out. If you do not have one of this plastic thing, you can always get one of this knife thing that you can, that you cut the toast with. It will do the job as well, but in my case I got this. So let's get started. Now what we'll do is, once you open one of the door, the same procedure is for all the doors anyways, so I'm going to show you for one, is that you'll see your lights in here, and then what we're going to do is take your pry bar or pry tool, and then we're going to put it in the edge of the light. I'm going to try to do it off the camera, or even here like this. If it goes in all the sides, and try to pry the light out of it. As you can see, it's almost out now. Just gonna take this out, and then we're gonna unplug from the wire here. So just pull it out. What we're gonna do is take the old projector, and you see these two pins. What you're gonna see is, once after you unplug the wire, the old wire from under the door, you're gonna see there's two wires, and these two wires are, if you look at closely, is going into the last two holes. So what we're going to do, take this two pin and then plug it in the last two hole on the right. So I'll do that and come back to you. Now once that's plugged in, you can see that the light has come on, the BMW projector light. This is what I was talking about. So do it in an evening time, so you can actually see how the light is. So in my case, this is the right way because BMW logo is at the top. Do not do it like this. This is the right way. So what we're going to do is simply push the wires, all the wires back in the door like that, and then simply push back the light and then in place, and there you go. So the light has been installed. You can't see it now because it's still daytime, but what I'm going to do is, after I install all four doors, I'm going to give you a little after demonstration when it's a bit dark outside. So it's the same process for everywhere. So yeah, okay, now that it's dark I can show you what it looks like. So if I just open the door, you can see very bright and it's good quality, and it is the same thing carries on onto the back as well. See if I open the back, you can see. So thank you for watching, guys. What I do on this channel is I create content on my F36. So if you want to be part of the journey, so any modifications that I do, I like to document it. So if you want to be part of the journey, click the subscribe button and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.